NCDRC, or the National Consumer Redressal Commission, issues notice to Nestle on the centre's plea seeking about 640 crore rupees in damages for alleged unfair trade practices, false labelling and misleading advertisements. Anusha Soni, our legal correspondent, has more details. Anusha, just simplify this for us, because there seem to be multiple hearings and also now this notice again, even as Nestle is preparing actually to make a comeback of sorts with Maggi.
Exactly. This points also came up today in the hearing, especially in the light of the Bombay High Court order, which has been seen as a relief to Nestle India. But one has to look through that this is not just about the lead samples in the Maggi. This is also about MSG. Okay, MSG, there is no dispute over that. All the court that has said is that there have been questions that have been raised on the testing that you have followed. In that light, you must go and have a fresh test done. That is what the Consumer Forum has said today. It has also said that for unfair trade practices, there needs to be a test which needs to be legally established. So that test forms the basic principle. However, there are multiple pleas. Also remember the Nestle Maggi oats issue, where the Nestle actually did not take the permission before launching the product. So of course that is not under contention, and of course that comes under unfair trade practices. Taking all of that into view, the Consumer Forum has admitted the plea of the government, issued a notice to Maggi and also asked for fresh testing. The next hearing is on the 30th of September.
Okay, so meanwhile, what happens with the other products, because Nestle clearly has been defending its stand?
Well, if you look at the Bombay High Court judgment, the Bombay High Court judgment also says that there needs to be a fresh testing that needs to be done. Because there were certain anomalies, you cannot rely on the kind of labs that the government had used. So even the Bombay High Court judgment prima facie gives relief to Nestle India, but it says that a fresh test must be conducted. So both these tests, which are separate in their nature, one asked by the Bombay High Court and one asked for the Consumer Forum, will be very crucial as far as Maggi, Nestle India's future strategy is concerned.